everybody. Today I'm going to be standing up and making this video. So what do we have here? I should reduce the volume. Sorry guys to disturb. I'm really sorry. I am very sorry. Get this perfect amount. Stick figures versus blocks? Minecraft stick figures versus Minecraft. How cool is that gonna be? So we have here gray. Orange, yeah. Okay, Minecraft immediately opens. Okay, cool. He can break and the blocks. You got Minecraft blocks too. That's cool. Okay. And now he's making a house. Well, this actually is a pretty good house. Not as good as my that poor village house thing. I think I made a video. I'm not exactly sure if I made a video on that, but I think I made a video on that. We actually have now a rich person house there as well. So it's kind of like that, but the rich person house is actually super duper expensive. Even more expensive than how this looks. This looks like a 1,000 house. Dude, he made it into that. He made one of the sticks. Dude, how cool is that? Okay, he made a pickaxe. How did he make it first try? And now he broke it. Okay, yeah. And then that is even better than the house. I can't believe how good this looks. Dude, blue is really just blending with the background. Dude, that's cool. Oh. He's on top. Okay. What's he going? He was about to go thing. He got diamonds from him. He's gonna place the beacon. Yay! He placed the beacon. Yay! Yeah, he changed the color. Of the I like to change the color now. I even like to change it to purple. Okay. Dude, he's doing this. He made something which will always change the color. Yeah, I also made that actually. What? What is going on? Why? Why do you punch him? I don't like these advertisements coming into my VA. Let's get out advertisements. He changed into a sword? Lighter? Dude, what? Oh no! He trapped Blue! Dude, he's like the best fighter. Not as good as the witch though. Why is he doing this? I think the witch on last video was probably even a better fighter. Yeah, but that fighter was even better. I mean, not better, but still pretty good. Oh no, now they're stuck? Okay, I forgot about... Okay. Dude, he gets a pickaxe to... blue? And he made an iron... what's it called again? Stone pickaxe. Okay, that's also not super good, but anyways, that's okay. Oh. He made an iron pickaxe. It's pretty strong. Kidding me? Okay, at least he cannot still break it. Oh! He stole it! from it! Oh, he stole it. He made armor. He made the armor! mask, by the way. Okay, he got the full armor set. I like it always like hack. I don't like that. I like that. I like that. Tons more diamonds! Dude, I'll definitely take those. He's making tons of armor. He's making tons of armor. Oh, he's getting rich! He's getting rich! Not as rich as the one I actually had next to my courthouse base thing. But still, diamond pickaxes, TNT. He made tons of things. How many things? Oh, they all have armor to defeat the bad red. Oh, whoa. Zombies? I don't know. What? Are they gonna steal everything? Zombies? Okay, zombies. Dude, that he just pushed. There's zombies everywhere, dude. I probably will have to kite, but this area there's no place to kite, unfortunately. You don't know what kiting is? It's like, let's say this is the zombie. You got to be going around the enemy and just slicing it with your sword. So that's called kiting, in case you don't know, guys. So yeah, he's not kiting that bad. There's no place to kite. Oh, zombie spawner! That's a zombie spawner. He killed it. What's he thinking? He's thinking of killing all the zombies? Okay, I like the resistance. Something like that. He just... Okay. I don't know. I like the moves though. That's all and that's all I'm trying to say. Oh! It's like early Minecraft. I noticed they were blocking some of their... See, they're blocking some of the arrows with the sword. Dude, that's smart actually. That's smart. Where do you get the dirt from though? That's my question. Where do you get the dirt from? Oh, dispenser? Oh, he's collecting arrows from the skeletons. So they could fight back. Dude, that sounds like a great idea. In Minecraft, I usually just go... Okay, I just kind of fell down. That's why guys, be careful. Don't try these things I'm doing right now at home. Unless you're like 10 or 12 years old, something like that. They don't know there's a creeper! Dude! He exploded! No! Wait, they gotta kill all the skeletons. Okay, so that did help them kill the skeletons. Are they alive? How is he still alive? It's like nothing just happened. It's like nothing ever happened. And, oh, take the arrows. Okay, that's good. The creeper! Oh, he bursted it over there. Okay. The creeper's not over there. It's not going to. I don't know. What is that piece of nether? What is some nether thing there? Tinky? It's still backflip! This is a backflip. He's still backflip. I was saying flip this whole time. No, how are they mining the sky? How are they mining the sky? And finding dirt and they find netherite? No, they're mining and finding netherite. Oh, creepers are spawning from here. Dude, if they destroy the... Oh wow, they're really good fighters. But if they're gonna destroy... Dude, that was like a minigun. I wish I can do that in Minecraft, but if they destroy those and then kill the rest of the skeletons, then fine. Will they kill almost all the skeletons in Minecraft? They're eating apples. Okay. I don't usually eat apples that much. I just eat steak. Red. Is Red you gonna win this fight? Dude. stop. Hello there. He's like trying to say all these things. And then he's going to. Oh, he dodged. He dodged. Oh, that. Oh, his sword broke. His sword broke. Now he's having a pickaxe. He broke it. Okay, now he's gonna break all of it. Okay, he managed to hit. Okay, so pickaxe idea is good. Yeah. What is going? He is what? Here, Irvine, Steve, Irvine. Oh no! I wanted to see what happened. Oh no. Yeah, I'll give it thumbs down. Because it's certainly. That's possible. Dude. Oh, they're using the machine. I thought it made out of cobblestone. That's not. Its hands can turn to pistons. How cool. Oh, it's gonna work. Oh. Make obsidian, no! Wait. That's not being. Obsidian can be broken with a diamond pickaxe. That doesn't make any sense. The armor is getting broken. They're like half a heart. They're all at half a heart. Pick up the tools and break obsidian! Okay, it's gonna take a while. Okay. Did they defeat it? He's at everybody's at half heart? Oh no. He came back. No! His heart is also breaking. No! Don't break it. Don't break it all. Don't break it all. Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't break it all. Oh. Internet problem? Okay. And then go back into the pool of colors. That's cool. They played all this together. So red has been so nice. And then all he does is to be angry. In the back of later, we see this part. It's been so nice until the catastrophe happened when. Ooh, why was he so nice? Until then. And then he saw what looked like Minecraft. And then he became super angry. Also, you notice it's his movement that's controlling the robot thing. Yeah, it's a movement. All of them have a heart and they lost some hunger, so they can't regenerate. They need apples. It's breaking! Obsidian! It's breaking through. Oh no! The sword? Okay, that swords are pretty strong. Oh. His sword just went. That's so fun. Okay. And now they have sticks to fight. So I guess they can fight with sticks. And now he's gonna fight with sticks. Okay. Stick fighting in Minecraft is not as good as stick fighting in real life. I'm not with the tricks. That'll be the worst. Okay, so he's just breaking through everything. Is he gonna break through all the emails? Okay, apparently he cannot. He can't find the Oh! Hear the incredible music? It's like the music they're gonna win. See, their fastness is helping. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, it fell down. Oh, dude, it already broke the Death Mark.